I'm Stacy Rogers, and this is your very first episode of our new segment, Labor of Love, where we bring you alongside several different departments at the City of Plano and show you what it takes to do various jobs here. First up, utility operations team here. I have no idea what we're going to get into today, but let's get started. Today I'm shadowing Maintenance Worker II Joseph and Crew Leader Donald as they swap out an angle stop that's stuck in the on position. All right. Most people call it the shutoff valve.
Move to the meter box, open it up, and we check for consumption.
Zoom in on this. Come on over here. So he said 10 times around is 1 gallon.
Yes.
They have an active leak, and you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're digging it up. Let me do one.
Push down, then.
Yeah, that wasn't happening. Back to the professionals. All right, so far a lot of digging. Got it.
Oh, yes.
Did you want to get a scoop?
Of ice cream.
You
Here?
don't have to get a big scoop.
Anywhere.
He said I could have a little scoop.
There you go. That's it.
Yep.
There?
Anywhere here.
Yep.
All right. No one told me I'd be hitting the gym this morning, okay? I'll spare you these next few minutes of dirt digging.
And here it is right here.
Now comes the crimping, shutting off the water so the shutoff valve can be replaced.
Makes our job a little easier.
Then the backflow from the house comes through, but don't worry, it's potable water.
You take the hammers to hit it on both sides to kind of loosen it. It's been in there so long. So here's a new one.
They have to be careful about doing this. If that pipe twists, they'd be replacing a lot more than the shutoff valve.
That's it.
Now they have to uncrimp and get the pipe back to normal and use the meter wrenches to install the coupling.
Do you want more of a workout?
Yes. No. This part takes some elbow grease.
Doing fine.
I don't want to pop it.
Oh, no, you're not.
He's like, you're not strong enough to pop it. Gosh. Now time to turn the water back on.
There it is. And you hear the pss, pss, pss.
Yeah.
And we look around, we see any leaks, make sure we check our work, and we're good to go. So the plumber can come out and do his job now.
Oh, okay.
So
okay,
this
okay.
gives it the easy access to, now they can just turn it with one hand, smooth like butter.
Mm-hmm. Now they're putting in a new plastic valve box underground. Y'all are very thorough,
Oh, yeah.
because if you weren't, things would go wrong. Of course, I had to jump in and help with a scoop or two.
You look at it fun like exercise. You know, you do a daily exercise.
If you find that fun. The final step is leaving some sandy dirt over the top to help the grass grow back. Is this Texas pure?
I hope so.
This was arguably the most fun part of the job for me. Yeah, I'm like an umpire. While we wrap up here, I wanted to know what makes these guys want to come to work every day and do their job.
For me, this is a simple sense of accomplishment.
Yeah.
Just for me. Order to the chaos.
So what do you want people to know about this job who are trying to get into this field?
It can be as fulfilling as you want it to be. You come in with that good attitude,
That's a good answer.
and you wake up every day wanting to be there, wanting to do it.
Keep in mind, at the City of Plano, if you want to be a maintenance worker like Joseph, you could come in with no experience and get hired. What do you love about this job?
It's quiet, it's peaceful.
Except when I'm here.
You know, you have great co-workers.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Dawn and I ride together every day.
Really?
Get to know each other. It becomes a little bit of a family at times.
Oh, I love it. Now Joseph and Donald wrap up the job, take pictures of their work, and head to the next one, doing about 3 or 4 of these in one day. They say being a part of Team Plano makes them proud and encourage anyone interested to join. That's it for our very first episode of our new segment. Stay tuned, we'll have plenty of other episodes to come. For now, I'm Stacy Rogers. This is Labor of Love with the City of Plano. See you next time.